Gotta hold me tight, gotta love me right. Better take your and keep me satisfied. Better do this right. Boy, you're looking fine. Gotta see you try. And baby, make you mine.
We are off for our first dive. It's actually Shivani's first dive ever. Oh
and
my
the
god.
dip, somersaulting, oh god, into the water head first.
I'll throw you.
No.
I'm super excited. I'm diving after like a year and a half. So woo! See ya!
Better take your time and keep me satisfied. Better do this right. Boy, you're looking fine. Gotta see you try. And baby, make you mine.
While I wait to go for my dive, I'm just loving the water already. It's so amazing. And we just saw this huge turtle. This is bliss. And we're back! Oh my god!
Oh,
It's amazing.
the rest was just amazing.
And I always had a problem with equalizing the pressure, but once you're fine, you're fine. And what fish!
Oh
my
my god.
Fluorescent, stripes,
Fluorescent and
everything.
transparent
Yeah,
one.
transparent
And that-
puffer
the
fish.
puffer
like
one.
this.
What a aroma of coffee.
Huh?
Oh, amazing.
This is the man helping us. And of course, we have our friend. What is your name?
I'm Veera.
Veera. Find Veera at Beam Cabana. Amazing, no?
Oh my god, what an experience.
कल जा रहा हूँ मेरे प्रॉब्लम में
Thank you, Veera, for everything.
Thank you. And we have people playing Hindi music for us.
Thank you.
Galle has such amazing places. Oh my god. It kind of reminded me of Pondicherry. If you all haven't seen that, by the way, I have a Pondicherry vlog as well. You all should check it out. I don't believe this madness. We just had 2 crepes, a whole chocolate and strawberry one, and we just ordered the next. I was like, this girl. That is where we're staying. Cafe Salon. Good morning! It's the last day on the beach. Not really actually. We have Colombo, but Colombo is not beachish. And why do I look so like tanned? So yeah, it's going to be a crazy day line ahead.
Have a shipwreck.
Which
Our second dive.
it's called Shrek by
Shrek. Like, I'm too lazy.
Shivani.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a crazy day. So keep watching.
Out and then swing back to the anchor line to the LPU, then you pull the surface.
And we're off to Colombo. Not like this, but we're just going to the bus station like this. A bit too cozy. Even our bags are superbly cozy.
We are just too good.
Hi. How do you feel, Shivani?
Oh, yeah. Let's discuss that later.
Okay. We've just got into our room and oh my god, look at her. And a beautiful little cushiony bed. And we have the whole of Colombo city here, which you'll be able to see in the day.
Be happy, don't worry, be happy now.
You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose and win.
Shivani!
Gotta hold me tight, gotta love me right. Better take your time and keep me satisfied. Better do this right, boy, you're looking fine. Gotta see you try, and baby, make you mine. Gotta hold me tight, gotta love me right. Better take your time and keep me satisfied. Better do this right, boy, you're looking fine. Gotta see you try, and baby, make you mine.
Going back. Always up. The fun never ends.
I know, we're back to it. Yeah.
It's all thanks to this girl.
Oh, shit.
Yes. Oh my god.